Hey, Shopify sellers in India. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable shipping solutions, let me introduce to you Shiprocket e-commerce shipping, your all-in-one logistics partner for fast, hassle-free deliveries across India and beyond. What is Shiprocket? Shiprocket brings together 25 plus couriers partners into a one smart platform perfect for e-commerce and D2C brands with coverage across 24,000 plus pin codes in India and 220 plus international destinations. You can fulfill orders with confidence and speed. Here are the highlights. Courier recommendation engine, Core, let AI choose the best courier for your delivery needs. Real-time tracking with branded pages and updates sent to customers via email, WhatsApp, and SMS. Next day COD payments and same or next day delivery options for faster cash flow and happier customers. Plus, significantly lower return rates to protect your profits. When it comes to pricing, get started in easy and free, perfect for small businesses. When you're ready to scale, paid plans starts at just 999 rupees per month or around 11.68 US dollars a month with advanced and pro tiers available for growing brands with higher volumes and more needs. When it comes to reviews and ratings, it's now over 900 reviews and an overall rating of 4.1 stars. ShipRocket is a well-loved and trusted app among Indian merchants looking to streamline their logistics and boost efficiency. So, if you're ready to ship smarter, faster, and cheaper, give ShipRocket a try on the Shopify App Store today.